Hi friends, let me welcome you all to my next video. In this session we are going to discuss DDT and its structure, its preparation and side effects. Without wasting time, let's move on to the point. Look here friends, DDT. What is the full form of DDT? Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Is it right friends? Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Let's draw the structure of DDT. So before going to that, we should know the structure of ethane. Look here friends, this is the structure of ethane. All are single bonds containing 6 hydrogen atoms with 2 carbon atoms. Look here friends, trichloro, we have to replace the 3 hydrogen atom of the ethane by 3 chlorine atoms. Is it right friends? Next move on to the diphenyl. Just replace these 2 hydrogen atoms with a phenyl group. Is it right friends? Just replace the 2 hydrogen atom with a phenyl group. Next move on to the dichloro. Dichloro means 2 chlorine atom which are present at the para position of the 2 phenyl group. Let's draw the structure of DDT. Look here friends. C, single bond C, here Cl, Cl, here Cl, next here H, hydrogen atom, next here phenyl group and a chlorine atom which are present at the para position of the benzene ring. Next here a benzene ring with a chlorine atom present at the para position. This is the structure of DDT. I will tell you afterwards how to write the structure of DDT in a very easy way. Is it right friends? So look here friends, the DDT is a first chlorinated. DDT is a first chlorinated organic powerful insecticide. Is it clear friends? This was first discovered by Paul Muller. Yeah, of course, he awarded the Nobel Prize for this concept in the year 1948. So is it clear friends? Let's move on to the preparation of a dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, nothing but DDT. First we take the chloral, 1 mole of a chloral, nothing but CCl3 C double bond OH. This is chloral, nothing but a trichloroacetaldehyde. Just replace the 3 hydrogen atom of the acetaldehyde with a 3 chlorine atoms. Then we get a chloral. 1 molecule of a chloral is react with the 2 molecules of a chlorobenzene. In the presence of a concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent. Then we get a product DDT with the elimination of a water molecules. Is it clear friends? Just remove the water molecule here, we get a product DDT. This is the one of the method of preparation of a DDT. This DDT is extremely stable and it is persist for long time. Is it clear friends? Next move on to the uses of DDT. So what are the uses of DDT? The first use is it used to protect the sugar cane and fodder crops and also other crops from the insects. Is it clear friends? It is a powerful insecticide which kill the insects which harmful to the crops. Is it clear friends? Next move on to the second use of the DDT which kills the mosquitoes and also helps in controlling the malaria causing mosquitoes. Is it clear friends? It is very used to protect the sugarcane and fodder crops and also other crops from the insects and also kills the mosquitoes which causing the malaria. These are the uses of the DDT. Is it clear friends? Next friends, when we come across the side effect of DDT, DDT has high side effects rather than the users. Look here friends, DDT has much side effects than the users. Look here friends, DDT is a non-biodegradable. It cannot be completely biodegradable. So it is not rapidly metabolized by the animals. It is stored in the reproductive system of the animals. The deposition of the DDT can affect the reproductive system of the animals. For this reason, many countries in the world banned the DDT. So even in USA it is banned in the year 1973. But unfortunately, some countries in the world even still using the DDT. This is the side effect of a DDT. Friends, now I will show you the easy way of writing the structure of DDT. Look here friends, just write one straight line and then 2 line which just touches this line, and here also same thing, write the 2 lines, and here just write the 3 chlorine atoms and here H atom, and here just write the benzene ring and here chlorine atom, and also here benzene ring which just touches this line, and here also chlorine atom. This is the structure of DDT. So friends, don't think that this is not an important concept. So I will show you the some important questions which are asked in the previous examination. So look here friends, this is the first question which are asked in the 2009 previous year NEET question. So trichloroacetaldehyde, nothing but chlorol CCl3CHO react with the chlorobenzene in presence of a concentrated H2SO4. It produces the which product? So look here friend, so your option should be C, this one, first option, because the two benzene ring in which the two chlorine atom present at the para position and also CH in the middle and CCl3. Next move on to the another question which are asked in the 2013. Look here friends, which of the following compound is a correct formula of dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane? So look here friends, which will be your answer? First one. First one is the right answer. Friends, I hope this will help you. Please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss to press the bell icon, and don't miss to share this video to your friends. Thank you.